Darina has already drawn criticism from Nick and Dylan for overcomplicating her cooking with too many contrasting flavours. So is she playing it safe this time?
And making a deconstructed lamb tagine.
Okay, so something different.
The rack is going to be coated with Moroccan spices and seared. And then we're going to have a couscous cake with feta. There's going to be a white baba ganoush puree.
Wow.
And, the chickpeas are in the couscous cake as well. Honeyed apricots and, a pomegranate rosewater syrup.
And Darina got all those confusion flavours and ingredients that she's used, and she's just gone overboard again.
Today, I would love to scream at the top of my voice, less is more.
Okay, guys, half an hour has gone. You have 1 hour left.
Hi, Liam, how you getting on?
Good. I'm under a bit of time pressure.
See, we're sweating anyway. So what are you hoping for? Are you hoping for a piece of pastry wrapped around a bone, wrapped around a piece of lamb?
Pretty much.
Why would you bother wrapping up a rack of lamb in doesn't make sense. I'd love to grab him and shake him. It's just unfortunate, because he really is trying. He really is making an effort. His little glasses are steamed up down now. The sweat's lashing out. Okay, guys, time is up. Stand back from your plate.
Liam, if you'd like to present your dish, please.
Forced to abandon his original plan, Liam serves a rack of lamb with dauphinoise potatoes, roasted vegetables, a pastry sheet, and a red currant reduction.
Okay, I generally believe that if you focused on the meat and your vegetables and your dauphinoise, you would have pulled off something quite tasty, because you had the elements going in the right direction. So why would you do that to yourself? You just really gave yourself too much work. Sometimes just keep it completely simple.
Definitely 10 out of 10 for coming back and pushing and trying to adapt the fact that you realised this wasn't going to work. Whether or not this equates to a strong enough dish, you're going to have to give us a bit of time on that. Okay? Thanks, Liam.
Thank you.
Okay, Darina, bring up your dish, please.
Darina is the last in this heat to face Nick and Dylan. Her dish is a deconstructed lamb tagine.
You've done loads of work, but it hasn't really amounted to anything. And that's sad, because I know that you're really keen. I know that you want to be here. I know that you love cooking, but it isn't nice and it doesn't work. And it's unfortunate. Okay.
At the end of the day, nothing really adds up. You've done all this work for a little gain.
Thanks, Darina. Thank you.
My basket coming out of the pantry, I could barely lift it. So that probably should have been an indication that nothing good was going to come of that endeavour.